Hey guys, a video on 10x Genomics. Had a wild Friday. After earnings, they pumped like 13% or something, and then they dropped. Then, yeah, ultimately they closed the day green. This is your all-time low for now here at $6.81. I'm labeling this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave 1, 2, then again 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 in a secondary 1, 2 potentially. That's now unfolding. The third wave box for this larger one too starts at 33 and can go higher. Internally here, because this is another strong wave 1, if this is a wave 1, this third wave might be extending, okay? Another way to interpret this one could be 1 A, B, C, but let me check one thing quickly. Damn, okay. This could be indeed labeled. Maybe this fits better actually. ABC like this. Sorry, I'm gonna think here a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this because also the 1-to-1 is exactly here where we bottomed with the 0.32. It looks a little bit better internally here to have just a single 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The double 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 does make a little bit less sense. Of course, this internal move here looks a bit like a 5-wave move, which you don't want in a B wave. But there's a lot of overlap here as well. We could label this as a WXY potentially. 3, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this scenario, we want this to be the bottom though, okay? If we now next week lose the low here, we'll shift to putting the wave 1 like this. This will give us more room to the downside. If this can hold, we will label this like a 1, 2, as it is on the chart now, okay? For now, let's go with that. Obviously, I need to put this wave 2 here. So hold the low and we can directly push higher, lose the low, and we will have to adjust this back to how it was. A, B, C then, with more room to the downside, and then this wave 1 will go to here, okay? So level switch to the downside, I mean this low 17.30, if we lose it 16.25, 14.88, and then obviously we have this larger range here. Maybe we're not gonna go down there anymore, but it makes sense to add the point of control like this at 13.35. Earnings wise, not an expert in this, but they did get closer to being profitable again. Operating income, okay. Yeah, that's a good sign. You want to see this consistently grow lower though. I mean, move towards positive, because here you were very close. Your pre-tax income was even positive, net income was positive, but then you dropped again. I don't know what happened here, how they managed this. Oh, probably because of this legal settlements, okay? So this is not a cost, but a plus. Otherwise it would be minus, I think, like a negative number. So we can ignore this one then here. If we ignore that, you can see it's been, since 2024 Q4, it's been grinding to the downside consistently. We want to keep this up. We want to move towards a positive net income. And yeah, that's the first way to strengthening the foundations foundations of the company, I guess. This is no worry. They don't have a lot of debt, so that's good. And yeah, with that, I think I have covered everything. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.